Hello, this is David Pilsel. I will be walking you through the new ticket submission app for CPI. If you have an Apple device, you can find it at the App Store and searching CPI tickets. If you have an Android, it will be on the Google Play Store. Look for this icon here. After you have it downloaded, this will be the first page that pops up. This is where you will sign in once you have signed up. Sign up here. Here is where you will enter all of your information. For CPI account number, you can leave that blank if you are a third-party trucker. Be sure to enter third-party trucker under the user type. For the password, it must be 8 characters long, have 1 uppercase, 1 number, and 1 symbol. Be sure to subscribe for SMS messages for a one-time password in case you ever forget your password. For submitting tickets, this is the page that will pop up. Click the photo icon here, click OK, and then take your picture. For your tickets, be sure that they are laid out vertically in order of BOL, outbound ticket, inbound ticket. If there is no BOL associated with the load, do not worry about it, just snap a picture of the inbound and outbound tickets. If there is no BOL, put none, NA, or null under BOL ticket number. Enter your ticket numbers and confirm. After that, the AI will do its best to extract as much information as possible. It is still in the learning process, so you will have to review it to make sure all the information is correct. Under freight rate, be sure to write your freight rate as a decimal. For example, if the load was 10 cents, you will write 0.10. After you've confirmed that all information is correct, hit submit and finish, and your ticket is submitted. To view all tickets that you have entered, you can go to the top left corner of the app, pull up the side menu, and go to Tickets. This will show every ticket you have ever submitted. You can search any ticket by date, ticket number, destination, origin, or any field associated with the ticket. If you want to see more information about the ticket, you can click on it to pull up the ticket details page. This will show all information associated with the ticket. If you need to edit any ticket information, you can hit this icon here to change any information. To download your invoice, at the top of the tickets page, hit Download Daily Load Sheet. If you are invoicing for the tickets that you submitted that day, filter for that day. If you are submitting an invoice for tickets submitted throughout the week, select your dates accordingly. Be sure that you have a spreadsheet app like Google Sheets or Excel to get your invoice downloaded correctly. The invoice should get downloaded into a spreadsheet that looks exactly like this. All information will be auto-populated along with the total freight. Below the total freight, sum it all up to put the total invoice. If you had any transfers, those will be submitted like any other ticket, and it'll show up on a blank line. The clock in and clock out times will not be auto-populated, so you will need to enter those manually. Enter the clock in and clock out time, the total hours, and the total invoice. Once you have reviewed this and made sure it is all correct, you will share it with CPI using the share button and sharing to freightinvoice@cpicoop.com. If you need to make any changes to your profile, name, email, phone, or user type, you do so here. If you'd like to change your password, you do so here. We have a list of instructions with general questions along with examples of good images and bad images. If you run into any problems or issues or any bugs, you could reach out to technical support and this will go straight to Sarah McNeil, the developer of the app. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to Sarah. Thank you.